what's going on, everybody? Today I'm back with another video on Roblox. Today I'm going to be looking at the skeleton bird. Alright, let's see the hatchling. This thing is absolutely terrifying. Holy cow. There's actually, I'm not going to try any colors, but let's see how it looks. Let's just see how it looks now. Gosh. Wait, I think it reused a bird call, I think. I'm not sure, but I think it did. Let's go to the village. Holy cow, this thing looks... Wait, okay. So, this is a sit. This is the eat. This is the hurt. I actually kind of expected this to be, like, sort of a little bit better, in my opinion, but, I guess it goes this way. Wait, there's the eyes closing. Alright, let's grow up. I'm gonna keep the same colors. This thing looks so dang cool. Actually, right now, I don't think it actually did use an old bird call. Sit, eat, hurt, display, preen. Why wouldn't he preen itself though? Eyes. Alright, the moment of truth. Can this bird fly? And the answer is yes. Like how? How can this bird fly? Like how? Like how in the heck can this bird fly? Like, what the heck? And it can even swim too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess, like... Well, if I have to give this bird a rating, I say I have to give it, an 8 out of 10, because I don't really expect a literal skeleton to fly, if I'm being totally honest. And the hurt animations kind of suck right now. Because what I kind of expect to happen is, like, the bones would kind of like be scattered all apart in a way. But overall, I'd say 8 out of 10 will probably be, and like that's kind of me being brutally honest. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, I'll see you in the next